Marge Davidson, Chairman of the Board. I'm here with Marie Miszewski, President, and we're here to tell you about what's going on with the Y. I want to thank the staff for tuning in. This is our way of communicating with you because it's been very difficult to bring everyone together in one location. You are important to us. You are most important. You are the face of the Y. You are the people that our clients see. The rest of us are just behind the scenes. So now we want to tell you what's going on.
Thanks, Marge. I too want to thank all of our staff and volunteers for all that you do for our YMCA. It does make a difference. I want to share with you some of the successes and challenges that we've had over the past 12 months and what's coming up for the future as well. Membership is beginning to increase due to the new and innovative programs that we have. We're marketing toward the obesity epidemic and the diabetes crisis. 1 in 3 kids in Danbury, the greater Danbury area, is overweight or obese, and 1 in 5 adults are overweight or obese. This generation of kids will have a shorter lifespan than you and I do right now. To me, that's totally unacceptable. We need to do something about that. We are putting in our programs, we're there to educate and support healthy lifestyles, and we're beginning to see the fruits of our labor in many of our programs. So if you're interested, check out our website. We're working with all of our preschool and after-school programs to close the achievement gap. We've inserted academic components into all of our programs so that we can close that gap that exists right now between low-income and middle-income children. It's so important that we close this gap so that we have an educated workforce for the future. These are our leaders of tomorrow. We need to do something. We also will make sure that our kids are getting their 150 minutes of exercise in all of our child care programs going forward as well. There was a great article in the News Times last week that we'll give you a link to that has more information on the achievement gap if you're interested. Charitable donations. We continue to see great success in this area. We're increasing our charitable donations on all fronts, but unfortunately we're not even beginning to touch the need that's out there. These challenging economic times are very demanding on our families, and we're trying to do as much as we can, and we still need your help. So thank you for all the support you've given us over the past. It is making a difference. Together we are changing lives for the better. As with any business, we have challenges, and the biggest one that is still the biggest unknown for any business out there today is the effects of the healthcare reform. We have no idea yet exactly what kind of an impact that will have on our business model. The nature of our business gives us many facilities. Most of them are aged. We are looking for new and creative ways to replace our HVAC systems that are not only old, but very energy inefficient. So we're looking at creative financing that will allow us to replace those aging systems and have some great savings on our utility costs at the same time. Technology. We are a little bit far behind, although we're doing this first YouTube, so we are beginning to get caught up with technology, but we need to find better ways for us to be able to connect and engage with our members when we don't see them in our facilities. How do we make it more convenient for our members to sign up online for the various programs and activities going forward? And what can we do to engage the younger people with the technology that we have as well and highlight them in a more meaningful way? And of course, online registration and online giving would be a big part of that. So stay tuned, there's more coming on that.
I'd like to bring you up to date on some things that are going on locally and on a national level. We have our capital campaign, Building a Stronger Community. This is a campaign to expand our Green Knoll facility and maximize the potential. We will expand into the bay buildings on that property and increase our programming opportunities. In addition, we're going to finish off the aquatics center and have a state-of-the-art aquatics program available. By doing this, it's going to be a ripple effect throughout the organization. Once we finish our capital campaign, we will be able to do so much more. And that brings me to the national Y. The new advertising campaign is the Y and so much more. The Y will be presented nationally in advertising as a cause-driven organization. One other thing locally that I want to bring you up to date on is Great Hollow. As most of you know, Great Hollow is for sale. We have had a lot of activity within the past few months, and hopefully in the next few months we'll be able to announce that we have sold it.
Messaging continues to be a challenge for us. We need to get people to understand that we are a charity, we're a cause-driven organization, and we really work to strengthen the community and the bonds within our community. We are more than just a gym and a pool, as you heard me talk about the achievement gap earlier and our diabetes prevention work. We are so appreciative of all that you do, but know that we are the why and so much more.
Whether you're a volunteer or a staff member, thank you for all the work you do for the why. We still need your help in a variety of ways. Please be an advocate for the why. Tell our story to the community. Help us promote membership. Donate to the annual support campaign and volunteer on our many interesting committees.
Marge and I will be available for follow-up conversations on the dates listed on the video. I really hope that you are able to join us because your feedback is important to us. We will become a stronger organization because of your thoughts and your support and your feedback. Thanks again and have a great fall.